This is one of the videos I look forward to filming because today we're going to be unboxing my order from the BOXYCHARM Add-on Sale. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, please, if you enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up before you leave. It really does help. So today we're going to be unboxing my add-ons from the September 2020 add-on sale. I'm amazed that these arrived so quickly. It arrived the same day as my base box, and I haven't even gotten my Luxe box yet. It's amazing how quickly they can get these add-ons out, sometimes. BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription box. It costs $25 a month, and in each box you receive 5 full-size beauty items. It can be makeup, skincare, or beauty tools. Each box has an average value of $175. You do have options to upgrade. You can upgrade to Boxy Premium, which is an extra subscription box in addition to your base box. $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 items with an average value of $215. And there is also Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly upgrade to the base box. And instead of $25 that month, you're paying $49.99. You get 8 or more beauty and lifestyle items with an average value of $395. Any box level can participate in the add-ons, so you don't have to be subscribed to one of the higher levels. And I went a little bit over this month, but not nearly as bad as last month. So if you saw my video last month, which if I can figure out how to do it, I will put a card up here, I think. Anyway, I'll link my video from last month so you can see how bad I was. I was better this month, I promise. Okay, let's take a look at what I received this month. First, from Milk Makeup, this is the Kush Lip Balm. It's a soothing balm to hydrate lips with hemp-derived cannabis seed oil, shea butter, and moringa butter. There are 6 shades. Last month, if you remember, I did get 2 of these, and I got Canatonic, which was a sheer cool pink, and Plush Berry, a sheer natural berry. This month, I added Bubble, which is a sheer neutral rose with subtle golden shimmer, and this is has a retail value of $16. Add-on price was $4. It's a 75% discount. I couldn't not get another one because I like the other one so much. For $4, even if I only use it around the house because I decided I don't like the shade, I mean, $4 lip balm. Anyway, my next item is from Morphe, and if you've been around a while, you had to know this was coming. It's a brush. This is the Morphe R31 Highlight Definer Brush. It is a defined highlight brush with a rounded tip for diffused color and precise placement. They are 1-inch bristles. The full length is 7 1/4 inches, and these are natural bristles. And it has a retail price of $8. It was currently on sale, or was as of the day I was doing these prices, for $3.20, but the add-on price was only $3, so it even still beat the sale price. That's a discount of 62.5% off of retail, or still 6 1/4% off of the current sale price. So I love my brushes, you know this. So and I don't have one quite this size and shape. I have a lot of bigger brushes, and then eye brushes. I don't have too many of these little ones, so I figured for $3 I couldn't leave it there. Okay, item number 3 is from Farsali, and it is the Liquid Glass Radiance Make Skin Serum. This is inspired by the Korean skincare trend of glass skin. This unique formula combines the usual 10 steps of the glass skin routine, packing them into one powerful bottle that hydrates, radiates, and gives you translucent, crystal-like skin. The serum's formula contains 2 key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, which revitalizes and replenishes the skin's outer layers with moisture and helps plump the skin, improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and Aquacell, which is a natural complex that combines watermelon rind extract, lentil fruit extract, and apple extract to give you long-lasting hydration and plump skin. Liquid Glass can be used as a radiating skin serum or as a primer before makeup application. It may also be applied prior to, mixed with, or layered on top of skincare or makeup for a luminous finish. This is the full size, which is a 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. It is also available in a mini size, which is 10 milliliters or 0.34 ounces. That mini size retails for $22. This full size retails for $54. It was in the add-ons for $18, which is a discount of 67%. Again, last month I did get a couple of other Farsali items. I hadn't gotten this one. I don't think it was available. So I wanted to add this one to my Farsali routine and see if it really will give me that glass skin even at my age. So we'll see about that. Okay, item number 4. This was one of the items that was a possible choice item in, I think it was this month, and it was one that I didn't choose, so I wanted to pick it up. I saw it was in the add-on, so I picked it up, and this is from Ole Henriksen. This is the Fat Glow Facial. That's fat with a PH. They say you can get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient in this one-step at-home facial. And PHAs, they say what makes them so special? They're fat, literally. Like AHAs, PHAs deliver skin-perfecting, age-refining results, but PHAs are a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together, revealing the newer, fresher skin underneath, which means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even people with sensitive skin, which is something I'm really interested to check out. They say this is a massage-activated formula, creates a perfecting cocoon, then instantly reveals smoother, illuminated, no filter necessary skin. And this is a 50 milliliter or 1.7 ounce full-size item. It retails for $50. It was an add-ons for $18, which is a discount of 64%. As I said, it was a choice item for this month, and I chose something else, so I was glad I was able to pick this one up. Okay, our next item is from Byron New York, and it is the Bitter Green Essence Toner. Now, Byron New York is a woman-led company dedicated to leveraging the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of healthy, nutrient-rich foods to provide your skin the same high-quality nutrition that hopefully you're giving your body. The Bitter Green Essence Toner is a highly concentrated pore-minimizing toner packed with powerful proprietary blend of 33 different antioxidant-rich greens. The potent green complex contains a detoxifying combo of artichoke, broccoli, and matcha green tea that hydrates and purifies, helping to smooth unwanted texture and protect skin from dehydration. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish and soothe while safeguarding your skin from premature aging. So let's take a quick look. Oh, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? I just want to, put it on a shelf and look at it, but, clearly I bought it for its healthy properties. I like the idea of using the nutrient properties of natural things, of things that we would eat, to feed into our skincare. So I do like the idea, but it's just so pretty. This is 5.7 ounces or 150 milliliters. It retails for $95. It was in the add-ons for $12, which is an 87% discount. I had to try it, and that was even before I saw how pretty it was. Okay, my next item was supposed to have been from 11 Skin, their NACY2 Pollution Defense Booster. Instead, I received from Byron New York their tomato serum. Now, tomato serum was one of the choice items for this month, and it is the item I chose for BoxyLux. Now, my BoxyLux hasn't arrived yet this month, so I don't know that I actually received it, but it is what I chose. So I'm not unhappy with it, but if I'm getting it in my Lux, I really want the 111 Skin product that I purchased in the add-ons. But let's talk about the tomato serum first, since that's the one that we have here. Tomato serum is a powerful anti-aging treatment that reveals radiant, youthful looking skin. It is a highly concentrated treatment serum. They say the hydrating formula visibly reduces the appearance of imperfections and improves the look of skin texture for a soft, smooth, and clarified complexion. The gently exfoliating tomato extract resurfaces and perfects. Brightening vitamin C adds an instant glow. And collagen-boosting peptides diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, transforming your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself. It is for all skin types, including sensitive, and for skin care concerns, including dull and uneven skin, acne and blemishes, or aging. This is 1 ounce or 30 milliliter, and the tomato serum has a retail value of $150. So I can't be mad at the fact that I got it, but the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster has a retail value of $135, so it was close, but this is, a more expensive product. It was in the add-ons for $12. I do want that 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster that I paid for, so I am waiting to hear back from BoxyCharm about what we're going to do about it. But in the meantime, I do have this. If they tell me to just go ahead and keep this, then, and I do get the other one in BoxyLux, then you may see this $150 serum in a future giveaway. And my next and final item, that's right, only 7 this month, is another one from 111 Skin, and it is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. These are showing up in a lot of the BoxyLux boxes this month, but it is one that you're supposed to be getting this or something else, and I did want to try them, so when I saw them in the add-ons, I figured I would go ahead and get it. As you may know from some of my earlier videos, I'm not a big fan of face masks. I find them a little claustrophobia inducing, but this one kind of piqued my interest. I think it's the rose gold thing. I'm all about the pink and sparkly, so that may be it. Okay, 111 Skin is a luxury skincare brand from the UK, and it was founded by Dr. Yannis Alexandridis, something like that. I'm sorry if I just butchered your name, sir. He is a renowned plastic surgeon in the UK. The name of the company, 111 Skin, is taken from the address of his plastic surgery practice, which is 111 Harley Street in London. They say that this is the ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses skin with radiance-boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Originally created as a limited edition item, this mask has grown into a global cult favorite product. It contains 24 karat gold and damask rose. This mask works to both illuminate and calm the skin for a party-ready glow. And this box has 5 single-use masks. So let me just open her up here and pull one out so you can see. Here we go. So these are the masks. See if I can do this so you don't have too much glow on it. These masks are sold individually as well as in the box. The box retails for $135. It was in the add-ons for $12. Since I wanted to try them and wasn't sure what was going to come in my Lux at the time that I did the add-ons, and frankly still don't know since it's not here yet, I went ahead and added them to the add-ons. So there may be a mask or two in future giveaways if I do get them in my Lux box. Since they are individually sold for, I believe, $35, I will split it up and put individual masks in some giveaways just so that everybody who wants to can have a chance to try it. Again, this set of 5 masks retails for $135. It was in the add-ons for $12, which is a 91% discount. Okay, so that's everything. That was the 111 Skin Rose Gold Face Masks, the Byron New York Tomato Serum that was supposed to have been the 111 Skin Pollution Defense, but this is what I have for now. We'll wait and see what BoxyCharm wants to do about the missing item. Also from Byron New York, the Bitter Green Essence Toner, which frankly, even if I don't like the way it works, it's so darn pretty I'm going to enjoy looking at it. So I can't be mad either way. From Ole Henriksen, the Fat Glow Facial. From Farsali, the Liquid Glass Serum. From Morphe, the R31 Highlight Brush. And from Milk Makeup, the Kush Lip Balm in the color Bubble. So the total value of everything that I actually received in my box was $508. Would have been $493 before, but obviously I didn't get the products I ordered. So what I actually received was $508. I paid $79. So let's see, $508. That is a discount of 84.5%. Can't be mad at that. So even if I'm not crazy about what I get in a box every month, what I pick up in the add-ons can sometimes just make all the difference. Because yeah, my base box this month was okay. It wasn't great, but these products more than make up for it. So don't skip on the add-on sales if you are subscribed to Boxy, because you really do get some really good deals, and you can pick up the products that you wanted that you didn't get. So and again, the discounts are sometimes, they're crazy. They're amazing. They're wonderful. So don't skip out on it. Don't go crazy. It's very easy to put a whole bunch of products in at $4 and $6 and $12, and next thing you know, you've got $300 in your basket and you're trying to weed them out. But you know, sometimes you have to grab things really quick because they sell out really quickly. So, but be careful, but don't pass it up, because there really are some good deals. So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button before you leave. It really does help the channel. It helps get this video into the YouTube algorithm so that other people can see it while you're down there. If you haven't done so already, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel so you can come and hang out with me again. Also, please follow me on Instagram. My info is down in the description box. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself and to others, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.